Hello everyone and welcome to our new video. To use Flodesk to craft simple and beautiful emails, first go to the Flodesk website from the link in the description and click on try it free. Now fill in your details. Also, to use Flodesk for the 30-day free trial, you don't need to give your credit card information. Now just verify your email and you will be done. Now choose a template to get started. You can view your generated website by switching between desktop and mobile preview options. Now click on customize it. From here you can edit out any text or design that you need to change. You can also change design shapes or add images. Click on next. Now enter your name and click on continue. Now write a subject line and a preview text and click on continue. Now choose your recipient and you will be done. Now choose segments according to your need. You can try out Flodesk from the link in the description for completely free without giving your credit card information. The link in the description will also give you a 50% discount for the paid plan if you choose to upgrade. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you again soon.